What is going on, everybody? It is Aaron Cates and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be putting on a ceramic coating on my Ford. Now this Ford does not have any type of ceramic on it right now, and we're about to put one of the easiest ones on the market on it. Hydrosilex has a wipe on and wipe off ceramic coating that gives you up to 6 months of protection against any type of hydrophobic properties or anything like that. You're gonna have 6 months protection, and that's like a minimum. That's guaranteed protection. It could last a year. If your vehicle's not driven very often, it might sit in a garage and you just want ceramic on it, it'll probably last a lot longer than 6 months. It's 6 months on a daily driven vehicle. And I'm gonna show you how to do it today. You know what's even better about this? Rather than just me showing you how to do it, it being wipe on, wipe off, it's free. It's free to every single one of you. All you have to do is click the link down below, use the code Aaron, and all you have to do is pay shipping. Simple as that. Just pay shipping and you're gonna have some Hydrosilex ceramic wipes to put on your vehicle. It does not get easier than that. Now you guys might see my Chevy in the background and might be wondering, Aaron, why are you putting ceramic coating on the Ford? Why not put on your Chevy? Your Chevy's so much nicer. My Chevy already has ceramic coating on it. It has Meguiar's hybrid ceramic. Once that started wearing off, I did Adam's polish. It's got a couple different ceramic coatings that are on it, and it wouldn't be a fair judge since it already has some type of ceramic to it. It's already got water beading technology in the wrap. Didn't come in the wrap, just the ceramics I've put on the wrap. It's already got water beading on it. So it just would not be a fair judge to see how good this stuff works. And we're going to be doing half of the truck and the other half will be uncoated, just to see the water beading technology, to see if it really does make a big difference. Now, instead of standing here and talking any longer, why don't we go ahead and get this opened up so you guys can see the wipes that come in this pack. Okay, to jump right in, let's get this torn open without flipping it over and showing you guys my address. Got some paperwork, shipping information, wipes, and wipes. You have your recharge and your rewind. What this is this is what you wipe down the first. It removes any type of wax and grease, anything that might be on the paint that could interfere with these ceramics. This is the step 1. And then you have your step 2. This is your recharge. It's a ceramic coating. You just wipe this down and then you wipe it off with a microfiber. Simple as that. Apply to a clean, cool, dry surface, clear from any wax or sealant residue. You can apply recharge to all surfaces on the vehicle, paint, windows, tires, headlights, etc. Now, Hydrosilex sells a spray version of the rewind and a spray version of the recharge. What's great about this is they took their technology and they put it all into a wipe. So now we no longer have to spray. We literally just wipe this on and then wipe it off with a microfiber, and then we will wipe the recharge on and wipe it off with a different microfiber, and then you are ceramic coated. It does say that you have to have a clean vehicle. This is not really clean. It's actually really, really dirty. It has not been washed in probably 3 weeks. Probably the last video you saw of this thing was the last time it was washed. Okay everybody, truck is now washed. Truck is also now dry. I'm also going to be waiting just a couple more minutes just to let any little crevices that might have water in them dry, because I did go around with the microfiber, completely hand dry the entire truck, but there are little spots that still hold water and I want them to dry before we start this process. Now, like I said, we're gonna be doing half of the truck. Now, I'm not gonna be doing any grill, bumper, rims, or glass. We're gonna be doing strictly paint for a better side-by-side comparison of coated versus uncoated. Now, the only thing left to do is jump into it. Okay, officially have done half of the truck. I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes. Now this still feels damp, but compared to the very first wipe, the first wipe was still leaving streaks all the way up until the end, and never once felt like it dried out or anything. This one still feels wet, but on the roof it was like starting to not leave streaks. So I feel like one wipe would do a very small car, but it would not do a large truck. Just don't have enough time. So I feel like to do like my Ford or my Chevy, you would need at least 2 of these. Now, pending if this is very hydrophobic and does work very well, I will pick up the spray kit, and I also will get some more wipes and do the Chevy as well. That's all depending on how well this works. Like this still feels wet, but like on the roof, it was not leaving streaks. And I did use different microfibers. I even used different colors just so you guys could tell. But I feel like a couple minutes we can spray it with the water hose and see how good it works. Okay, I read instructions all over their website. Couldn't find anything that said to let it sit for so long after doing it. So I'm gonna give you one quick look to see if you can even tell a difference between uncoated and coated without water. Just physical appearance. Just, I don't know if it's mental or not, over here looks shinier than over here. And this is the side I did the coating on. To me, it looks shinier. I don't know if my paint's just in a little bit better shape right there, but compared to that looks shinier to me. This paint is pretty wore out for only being 4 or 5 years old. I got screwed over on this deal, but clear coat is fading. So for it to be that glossy right there, I'm kind of impressed. Now, you can't really tell with the side. I mean, it is glossy, it is reflective. Now, I don't know if it's this glossy from the Hydrosilex or just the paint looking good on this side. We'll go around to the tailgate. This side is coated, this side is uncoated. I cannot tell a difference. And this side is completely uncoated. As you can tell, it's still pretty reflective. So this is the moment of truth. Oh, I'm nervous, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I am nervous. Let's see here. I don't know about y'all, but that ain't beating. That ain't beat at all. I did everything the way it said to. Well, this is awkward. I had high hopes for this. I had really high hopes for this. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that didn't work right. So I'm gonna shoot a message to the company and see what's going on here, because that didn't beat at all. I mean, I did coated versus uncoated. I mean, there ain't a damn difference, that's for sure. Okay, we are hiding underneath my porch overhang. You guys can see the truck in the background. I just went inside, did some research, and kind of what I've concluded is that the wipes don't really work. This is my honest opinion. You guys know I'm straightforward with you. If I don't think something is worth your money, I'm going to tell you. And yes, you can use my code Aaron and get free wipes, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. I looked, shipping for me was $6.95. So if you want to get a pack for a truck is 3 wipes, 3 of each one. So it's 6 total wipes, 3 step 1, 3 step 2, $7. You guys can try it out yourself, but I will tell you right now, I did not notice a difference at all. You guys saw it hand in hand. It was very awkward because I was really expecting something great to happen, but nothing great really happened. There wasn't much of a gloss difference. There wasn't a hydrophobic difference. Maybe a little texture difference. It kind of felt a little bit smoother where the wipes had gone. It might be a mental thing, might not, but it did feel smoother. What I have concluded from my research online is that the Hydrosilex spray, the recharge spray, does work a whole lot better. Maybe I'll go try that out, and if you guys would like to see that, drop a comment down below. If you guys don't want to see it, I won't waste my money, I won't waste my time. But if you guys would like to see the spray in comparison to the wipes, drop a comment down below, let me know. I'll be sure to pick up some spray and test it out for you guys. But my honest opinion, it's a botch, guys. It's a straight botch. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna tell you it's good. I'll tell you to go get it. This is my honest opinion. My honest review of the product is that the wipes did not work. Now, I did go around the truck and I did spray the water everywhere, and yeah, there's little tiny spots where water is sitting up, but it's that way on both sides. There's not really a gloss difference. There's not really any type of difference between the way it was before and the way it is now. This is the tailgate that I did half of, and as you guys can see here, this is where water's beaded, and water's also beaded on the uncoated side, so it's just water sitting on the paint at this point. Now again, I do apologize for the wind, but I wanted the truck and the shot to close this video out. Do apologize, this did not go as planned, but like I said, honest opinion, that's just how I am. I can't lie to you guys. I can't tell you guys that something is good when it's not good. Just like when I did the Boost Auto key fob on my truck, that was the last video you guys saw, I gave you my honest opinion. I absolutely loved it. I still love it. I would like to try the spray because I want a redemption. I want a redemption. I want to redeem Hydrosilex because I feel like there's potential. I watched other people use the spray and the spray worked good, but I watched other people use the wipes and they had the same outcome that I did. So it sucks, but that's just how it is. So glad I wasted my time and you guys didn't waste yours. That's all there is to it. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, drop a like. If you guys would like to see any type of ceramic coating or anything like that I should test out, drop a comment down below. I'll be sure to pick it up and make a video and a review on it for you guys. And if you haven't already, go down, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later.